Number 2 in the formation, Flight Lieutenant Mark Everson, another of the UBAS instructors. He flew both fixed and rotary wing aircraft during his RAF service, left the service to fly commercially, but rejoined as one of the instructors on the Air Experience flight element of the squadron in 2014. And with Mark in that second tutor, Officer Cadet Lucy Pepper, a philosophy student at the University of Birmingham. Completing the formation, Flight Lieutenant Jonathan Flewers, who flew a very diverse range of aeroplanes during his service, the Chinook with number 7 Squadron, then the VC-10. He first entered the UAS world as a student himself with Bristol University Air Squadron. Later he became a qualified flying instructor with the University of London Air Squadron. He was in the Royal New Zealand Air Force for 5 years before he came back to the UK and joined the Air Experience flight element of UBAS. And accompanying Jonathan in the third tutor is Officer Cadet Quinn Partridge, an aeronautical engineering student at Staffordshire University. Tom calling the formation into echelon right, and it's from this that they'll be coming past us once again and breaking into the circuit to land. Around 35 students are typically recruited per year. The universities contributing them being Aston, Birmingham, Birmingham Central, Coventry, Kiel, Stafford, Warwick and Wolverhampton. The unit's headquarters is, of course, here at Cosford. They have weekly training nights here during term time, as well as flying and ground camps during the university holidays. And during term time, if you've been to the RAF Museum Midlands here at Cosford in midweek through until Saturday, you'll often see the tutors flying with UAS students on board. A delightful aeroplane, the Tutor, one of the series of products of the Burkhardt Grob factory at Matzis in Germany. Quite a good number of which have seen RAF service, the likes of the G103 Viking glider. I believe we've got one of them here in the static display. And
there they are, right down
we now
there,
have the G120TP, the
ready coming in again,
in RAF elementary training service. An aircraft we've seen here in the past at Cosford Airshows.
Here they come.
The Tutor introduced to the Royal Air Force in 1999 as a replacement for the Scottish Aviation Bulldog with the Air Experience flights and University Air Squadrons. The Bulldog having in